And now I'm gonna create this nose that vampire has, and then I found this cool eye. We're gonna use it and place it on Jared Leto eyes. Let's make him a bit more angry. I thought it's gonna be a great idea to use the same trick that it was on one of the posters from Morbius movie. Hi, I'm Myke and in today's video I'm gonna create a movie poster for a movie which is now in cinemas, Morbius, with Jared Leto. This is my interpretation. I'm really excited about this, so without further talking, let's go straight to the Photoshop and do some magic. So for the first step we need a photo with Jared Leto. I'm gonna go with this one, simple select and mask tool to extract the selection. I'm gonna create a new file and I'm gonna import our Jared Leto here. I'm gonna make the Jared Leto clothes darker and I'm gonna delete this thing which this clothes has. It doesn't suit well our character. And now I'm gonna create this nose that vampire has. So I'm gonna use liquid file tool for this and don't go too hard on this. Okay, I'm missing one hole in the nose, you can see. Okay, what a beautiful nose we've got right now. And now I'm gonna change the color of the skin to bluish, greenish, something around those colors. I'm gonna also change the contrast. You can see I just brushed the new color on the skin. And now I found this scary picture of a girl with scars, and I'm gonna just extract the scar and put it on our beautiful Jared Leto face. You can see I'm playing with blending modes and I just copy the scars here and there. And then we need to destroy the skin even more, so I'm gonna import this face of the old lady and I'm gonna import from this photo those wrinkles and this old skin. And you can see I use transform tool to match the position of our head. Now I'm brushing the new skin on our Jared Leto skin. And now we need also make those vampire ears, so I'm gonna use again liquify tool and correct a bit color of the ear. And now I found this picture with leg and veins on it, and I'm gonna extract the veins and put on our skin. You can see that I'm increasing the contrast and put it on an overlay blending mode to blend with our skin. And I just copy it into a few places. And then I found this cool eye. We're gonna use it and place it on Jared Leto eyes. I'm gonna extract the eye from the photo and then use some blending modes and brush it a bit to blend with our photo. I'm gonna also decrease the opacity. And then I'm using hue saturation layer to make the eyes red. Bloodish red eyes. Right now we can see that Jared Leto looks too calm. Let's make him a bit more angry. And I'm adding some shadows here and there. I'm adding a bit of blood. And some more veins. And I'm creating a new hue saturation layer with red color to add some light which could the vampire eyes imitates. You can see that I'm brushing the red color. And then I thought, if this is a vampire, we need also a full moon, so I just found this cool yellow full moon and I'm gonna use it. I add some light here and there. I add some shadows, more edges of the light, a bit of glowing effect on the moon. And I also found this cool picture of a city and I'm gonna also use it in the background. I'm gonna decrease the color of it and I also put the image of the stars. And I also put the light behind the character to make sure that it pop out a bit more. Also create a solid color layer to boost even more the red color of the eyes. And then I place the image of a dust and I'm gonna blend it with our picture. I change the color of the dust to yellowish. And for the second layer to greenish. let's add more smoke beneath our character. I'm adding some more shadows. And some more light here and there. New hue saturation layer and new edges of light. You can see that I'm brushing some hairs with this new adjustment layer. I'm brushing some light on the edges of our character, just to make sure that the character pop out a bit more. And then I extract the titles from original poster and I'm gonna use it on our poster. And I also do this for a Jared Leto text. And I add some glowing edges effect to increase some edges of the light here and there. And then I thought it's gonna be a great idea to use the same trick that it was on one of the posters from Morbius movie to add some lasers here and there. So I just found this picture of a laser and I changed the color of it to red and then I do some magic on it to blend it with our poster. And I also create those laser dots. And again, new hue saturation layer with red color to create those red light which those new laser beams could imitate. Some more red color. And then I use a field blur effect to blur the sides of the laser beams. It looks a bit more real with this blur on the sides. And then I duplicate one laser beam. And now it's our favorite part, so we go to Camera Raw filter and we tweak some values. There are no magic values, just trust your eyes and just see what works best for your artwork. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's now use field blur effect to add a bit more depth to the picture. Just make sure that the center is sharpened and just blur the size of the image with small values. And for the final effect, we add chromatic aberration and also small vignette. And that's it for today's video. Let me know in comments what do you think about it. I hope you liked it, I hope you learned something from it. Please give a like, comment and subscribe to see more of this kind of videos. Let me know in the comments what would you like to see next. And to the next time, bye.